Scene: a small cafe. Amaya sees a help wanted kitchen helper sign on the window and speaks to the manager, Miss Lee, to get more information about the job.
Hi, I saw the help wanted sign. Is the job still open?
Yes, it is. We need a kitchen helper.
Is it full-time or part-time?
It's a full-time job.
Is there paid vacation?
Yes, there is. After 6 months, you get 1 week.
Do you give paid sick days?
Yes, we do. You get 5 paid sick days.
Do you give health insurance?
No, we don't. I am sorry.
What are the hours?
Monday to Friday from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Sounds good. How much does it pay?
It's $18 an hour.
Great. Thanks. I want to apply.
Please fill out this application form.
Thanks.
Listen to the conversation and circle the correct answer. Before you listen, copy the questions to your notebook. 1. What is the job? A. Waiter. B. Kitchen helper. C. Cashier. 2. What are the hours? A. 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. B. 12 p.m. to 11 p.m. C. 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. 3. What days does the kitchen helper work? A. Monday to Friday. B. Night shift. C. Weekdays and weekends. 4. How many paid sick days a year? A. 2. B. 5. C. 4. 5. How much does it pay? A. $20 an hour. B. $17 an hour. C. $18 an hour. 6. Do they get health insurance? A. No, they don't. B. Yes, they do. C. Yes, after 6 months. 7. What does Amaya decide to do at the end? A. Walk away. B. Ask for more money. C. Apply for the job.